Kia ora everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long, but here I am today with a cute little tutorial for you. This is my little cousin Kiara, and so we're doing a flower girl look. So I'm taking this beautiful shimmer shade here from Makeup Geek, and it's called Starry Eyed. I just chose this because I just thought it would go really nice with her skin tone, and we're popping that all over the lid. Sometimes I'll even ask the flower girl to pick a shimmer out of whatever palette I'm using, just to make it a little bit more fun. And then I'm just taking a blending brush and I'm just blending that same colour up into her crease. I just don't want to put too much product on her, so I'm just trying to do what I can with the least amount of product. Then I'm taking that first shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I just really love this shade for inner corner highlight, like even on myself. So I'm just doing that just to make her inner corner pop a little bit. And then I'm just going to give her a really light coat of mascara. I didn't curl her lashes or anything. This was her first time, she said, having anybody put mascara on her, so you know, it was really cute. She was like, what do I do? And I was like, oh, don't worry, I'm not going to get it in your eye. Moving on to her precious little face, I'm not putting any liquid or cream products down. I just don't think little kids need that because they already have the most beautiful, perfect skin anyway. So I'm using the Milani bronzer in Soleil, and it's got little gold flecks, so it's going to give that same kind of appearance as having a little bit of highlight without having to add another layer of makeup. Now I'm taking this shade from the 9B blush palette from Morphe, and that is face done. Moving on to lips, we're just putting a bit of gloss on, so I just thought this colour would be really pretty. So this is Curvy from Colourpop, and that's honestly it, guys. This is what I do on flower girls. Once they have their hair, their dress, accessories, they just look perfect. So this is just like giving them a little zhuzh, and we are done. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next tutorial.